Hey, what is up guys, welcome to this video. And today in this video I am going to show you that how you can make animated videos without using a heavy PC, because we are going to use an online tool and the name is Animaker. But wait, this is not only an animation video maker app. In this app you can create animated videos as well as normal videos. It also has more than 100 million stock assets including images, 4K videos, stickers, royalty free music, etc. So you will get all things at one place. So I think that's enough for the intro, and now I'm going to show you that how you can make videos by using Animaker. So guys, we are here in the Animaker dashboard and here are a lot of things. So firstly I'm going to give you a quick overview. Here is the create project section. So you can choose the type of video, like if you want horizontal video then you can select this one. If you want vertical video for Instagram and stories and reels then you can select this one. If you want square videos like for Facebook then you can choose this one. Guys, these are some pre-made templates according to different categories. Like here are the cartoon videos, here are some video ads, some invites, videos for social media, video for Instagram and square videos. These are some intro outro. So if you are a YouTuber like me and you want to create an animated intro, then you can just create the cool amazing intros from here. Here are too many templates. These videos are for company, like if you are running a company or you want to make something for a company like a presentation or something, then you can use these templates. Here are some stories and other type of videos, and we will edit these templates later. So for now I'm going to create a horizontal video, so I can simply click on this button to create a video, or I can choose this button also to create a video. Here are some other tools also, like we can create a character, we can create GIF, we can create a video from here also, but I'm going to use this one. So click here and then you can directly go with the templates, or you can create a blank video. For now I am going with the blank video, because if you can create the videos from the start then you can edit the templates as well. So here is our editor panel. I am going to give you a quick overview of this panel. So this is your assets library and this is your timeline. This section is for character. Here are a lot of characters, you can choose any of them, and you can also create your own character by click on this button. These are some animated properties. Here are some pre-made text, and you can also create a blank text from here. These are some backgrounds you can use. Here are some royalty free images, so you can choose according to category. Also you can search. Here are some royalty free videos, so you can choose the video according to your need. And here are some royalty free music, and if you want preview of any music then you just have to hover your mouse in that music. For example, and here is the scene window. So guys, to create a video, first of all we need a background. So click on the background and click on this edit button. So you can choose any plain background. Also you can select any background from here, but I'm going to create a plain background. So you can choose any of the color, or you can click here to create a your color. Like I'm going to go with the maybe red. This one looks good for me. Now here is the timeline, and these are the seconds, like 5 seconds, 6 seconds. So if you want 5 second scene, then you can just drag it to here and your scene will be 5 seconds. Now I have to add a character. So for now I am using this one. So just click on it and see here. You can zoom it and then place it anywhere. If you want to change the color of the character then you can do that by click here. Like if you want to change the color of her hair, then you can click here and just, that's it, as simple as that. Now I am going to add a text. So for now click here, and here are a lot of pre-made templates, so you can choose any of them. For now I am going to choose this one. and here is our text. Now if I want to change the color of the text, then just simply click on this and we can change the color. The second color white, and the third color also yellow. I am going to make it small because I am going to show you that how we can animate this character also. So to animate a character, click on the character and click on this one. This is smart move. Now choose any move. Here are some pre-made moves, like if you want to use smart move on a vehicle, then you can use this one. For clicking you can use this one, and these are some simple moves, so I am using this one. After click on it, just click on apply, and here it is. If you click on this button, then it will play only this scene. If you click on this button, then it will play your entire video. So for now I am just, because I have only the one scene, then I am clicking on this button to play the scene, and you can see here it is. Now I am going to add another scene. So to add another scene, click on this button, and here I am going to use the character. Now I am going to use this one. So here is my character. I can zoom in. Now I will tell you that how you can change the expression of this character. So to do that, just click on the character and click on expression, and you can change any of them, like see her face. So I will use this one, and here are some actions you can use, like standing and talking. So she is now standing and talking, and if you want to flip it, then you can click on this button, so it will start explaining here. You can also add the voice. To add a voice, you have to click on the mic. You can record your own voice, you can use text to speech, also you can upload your own voice. So for now I am going to use text to speech. You have to type your text here, click on sync, and it is ready. Your voice added here. If you want to drag your voice here to here, then you can simply drag it. So that was the basic overview, that how you can use the basic things. And now I am going to use a pre-made template. Like I am going to use this one. So if you want preview, then you can just click here, and you can also see the preview from here, and click on use to use the template. And it is also as simple as that. You just have to click on anywhere to modify that area. Like if I want to modify the color of this layer, then just change the color. You can modify your character. After that, click on the publish button. Then you can download your video. You can upload your video on Facebook page as well as on your YouTube channel. Also you can download the video according to any specific platform, like for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitch, etc. So guys, now let's check their pricing, because this tool is very advanced, so this is not free. Yeah, you can use it for free with watermarks, but here I am talking about their pricing. If you are very basic user and if you are comfortable with 5 premium downloads per month, then you can go with the basic plan. And here are their starter plan with 10 premium downloads, and here are some limitations also. This is the pro plan. Or if you are running a business of video making and you want their custom plan, then you can contact them for custom pricing. And if you will buy it from the link given in the description box, then you will get 30% discount on your purchasing. So guys, that's it for this video. I'll give you the link of this website in the description box. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the red subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future updates from this channel. This is me, Jitendra Singh, signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.